Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to get an SBA loan. Let's begin. First, visit sba.gov. On the website, you will find three main types of loans for borrowers. The first is the 7A loan, which is the primary SBA loan program. It is designed to help start, expand, or run a small business and is provided through SBA-approved lenders. The second type is the 504 loans. These offer fixed rates and are long-term loans. They are used to purchase land, buildings, or heavy equipment and are provided by SBA, a certified development companies. The third type is microloans, which are smaller loans offering up to $50,000. These help small businesses or nonprofit childcare centers and are given by intermediary lenders. To get fast approval, you need a clear business plan, a good credit score of 600 or higher, and all your documents submitted completely and correctly. The SBA also offers an express loan option where decisions are made within 36 hours, helping you get approved faster. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.